Today we're going to talk about wheezing. What is wheezing? Wheezing is like a whistle inside your chest, and sometimes it's easily confused by coarse noises in the chest or rattling, but that's not necessarily wheezing. What wheezing is like wind going through the creak of a window. And what does wheezing means? It just means that there is obstruction at some point in the airway. The most common cause of wheezing in preschool children is viruses. About 50% of children with viruses will wheeze. That doesn't mean that they're going to go on and develop asthma. When should you go to the doctor? So if your child is wheezing, you should go to the doctor, because that means that there is obstruction at some point, and that obstruction may be reversible by giving them medicines like breathing treatments to alleviate the symptoms. But sometimes wheezing is not just asthma, and it could be related to something else. For example, if your child choked on food or a toy and that settled in their airway, that can cause wheezing. And that could be dangerous, and it's very important for your doctor to get the correct diagnosis and medical attention. If you hear wheezing or if you think your child is wheezing, call your pediatrician.